A few words about multicolor profiling. As mentioned, i1Profiler supports the profiling of printing systems with CMYK plus up to 4 additional primary colors. The profiling workflow is very similar to what you have already seen for RGB and CMYK printers. The main difference is in the test chart creation. To start a multicolor profiling workflow, select the printer type. For example, CMYK plus 2. Then click on Profiling. The software will again guide you through all of the steps. In the patch set step, the additional spot colors can be individually defined by entering LAB values for each additional primary color. Please note, the LAB values will not need to be entered exactly. They are only used for the color chart preview. The generation of tonal steps in every color channel of the chart is independent from any entered LAB values. The chart is then configured to accommodate the measurement instrument, paper size, etc. The final chart can then be saved as a DCS2 file, printed, usually via a RIP, and then measured to create your profile.